Ricky.
And I'm Misu.
And this is In the Kitchen with RiKiMiSu.
Today we're playing one of our faves.
The What's in the Box Challenge.
One of us puts something inside of the box and the other has to blindly stick their hands in, touch it, and try to guess what it is.
You ready?
As long as there's nothing mushy. I really don't like mushy stuff.
No promises. I'll go first.
Okay, let me grab your item.
I can't look. I'm not looking.
Okay. You can put your hands in now.
Okay.
Here we go.
Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Hands in more than that.
Yeah. Oh, what the? It felt a little bit hairy. Is it not hairy at all? Oh, it's not. Wait, what?
What are you touching?
I don't know. I felt the hair and I got a little bit scared. What is this? It's heavy. This is butternut squash?
You actually got it.
Yes! I knew it! Okay, let me look. Yes, I knew it! It is like this looking thing. It looks like, what is it? Like a nose. It reminds me of a nose. Alright, now onto your turn. Now it's my turn to grab your first item.
Okay, I won't look. I'll look this way.
I'm looking. I'm fooling her. I'm fooling her. Okay.
Can I hold my hand inside?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
There's no way she gets this.
Whoa, this is really huge. Wait a second. I don't like the bottom of this. Why is this so flat here? Oh wait, ooh.
I wonder if she'll get it.
Is this, I'm gonna guess, is this like, oh wait, I don't think they're this small though. Is this like a melon? A watermelon? I'm guessing a watermelon, that's my favorite.
That's actually a watermelon.
It's a watermelon?
I thought it could trick you because it's like a baby watermelon. It's not one of the big...
I was thinking, I was like, watermelons aren't this small.
Yeah. One for one.
Alright, now it's your turn. Now let me grab your item.
Alright, I'm not gonna look.
Okay, we're stepping it up a level, by the way. So, where's the plate? Okay. Okay, you can put your hands in now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Be careful.
Oh, it's small.
Why are you closing your eyes? If you guess
it's
I'll close
wet.
my eyes.
Oh, wait, what is this?
You actually know it? He looks like he knows.
I don't know it. No, it's like. I know what this is. Oh wait. Is it a pumpkin?
Is that your final answer?
Final answer, pumpkin?
No, it's actually this is a cantaloupe. It's one of the.
Oh, it's a cantaloupe. I felt the seeds and the outside kind of like. If you just feel the texture, I thought it was kind of like a pumpkin.
That was a pretty
like
good guess, actually.
Yeah.
I never thought about that.
I thought she was throwing me off with the same strategy of using like a mini version. All right, now for your item. Moving on to level 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna look this way. I close my eyes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm nervous. Okay, it's okay.
She's not gonna get this one.
Why is it like...
Did she touch it?
Why is it like... I don't like this. What is this? It's... Whoa! I don't know. Something just like came... Oh no, something just fell out of that. Okay, the outside is hard. Wait, I think I might have an idea of what this is. Is this a pomegranate?
Okay, yes, that is actually right. It is a pomegranate.
Oh, I felt all the seeds.
So if you look at it, yeah, there's a bunch of seeds.
My hands are gross.
I thought the seeds might throw her off there because, you know, a lot of things can have seeds like that. But she got it, so this means that on the next round, I have to get it right and she has to get it wrong for us to tie it up.
Alright, now let me grab another item for you.
Alright, this is the final one. I gotta get this. Alright.
Okay, you can put your hands in that, yes.
Okay, final item. I'm just gonna go for it.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh, not nice.
If you guess this, I'll actually be really surprised.
What the?
I don't think
What is this? What is this? This must be
This is really different from what we've done in the past.
Wait a sec. Okay.
It's really hard. I believe.
Oh, this just threw me off. There's something like a little bit like crunchy. I don't know. I can't taste it, but it's like crunchy on the outside. Okay, I'm just gonna guess sardines. Is it
How
really?
did you actually get
Oh
that?
my
no
God.
way. You can see in there. It's
Ah! Ah!
Your hands are gonna stink.
Ah! It is sardines though.
That is sardines. I can't believe you got
The
that.
bones. It's the bones that were crunchy. I felt something like crunchy inside all this soft meat and it scared me. Okay, final item. If you get this wrong, then we tie it up. If you get it right, you win. Now for the final item that's gonna determine whether it's a tie or a win for Misu.
Okay, I will look away.
Okay, now go for it. There's no way she gets this. There's no way.
No! No! What did you give me? I don't want to touch these. Why is it like, wait, this end is really hard.
I'm just gonna keep quiet, otherwise I'm gonna give it away.
No, no. Why is it like this? Is there multiple? What is it? Wait, why is it like hard at one end? And it's like really squishy here. This feels really, this feels like it. Wait, I think I know what this is. Hold on. Is this shrimp? I'm guessing.
Oh no! Yes, she is correct. It is shrimps.
Ooh,
So, I don't know, I felt like that would definitely throw her off,
It
but
was very hard.
she had her game on point. Wow. Alright, that's a good win for you.
I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, maybe wash your hands first. You never know what you're gonna find in the box.
I need to wash my hands.
And now it's time to take everything that's in the box and put it into a bowl for a fruit salad. If you want to check out more videos, recipes, and other cool stuff, check out kidfoodnation.com.
Show your parents and you can all make dinner together.
See you next time. Bye.